This is a Pubcast shot, really. I'm John Loomer. Let's go. You may not know this, but I use Google Tag Manager to manage my Facebook pixel. And I don't know why it took me so long. A lot of people have told me that that's what they did. And I don't know if I just thought it was too complicated or what. But I've been doing this for the last year or two. I'm not sure exactly. But, ultimately, setting up the pixel, really easy with it. You create a tag for the base pixel code, have it fire on all pages. Really easy. And setting up the standard events is really easy. I create a tag for each one, paste that standard event code that you need that provides details like the value and currency, content name, all that stuff. Oh, and by the way, if you need help on generating that code, we have a Facebook Pixel event generator on my website that makes it really easy. Go to johnloomer.com/events and you just tell us what you want and it'll spit out your code. You can also then have those standard events fire only on the confirmation pages, of course. And there's tag sequencing, so it makes sure that the base pixel code is fired first, all that good stuff to make sure it works. So that's all great. But honestly, the main reason, though, that I love using Google Tag Manager for managing my pixel is for the custom events. Because it has some built-in trigger types that I find really useful. So there's one for scroll depth. And so I've created a custom event for anyone who scrolled at least 70% within a page. But I've experimented with anything from 50% to 100%. You can have it fire multiple times depending on how they scroll, all that kind of stuff. They also have a timer trigger type. Same kind of thing. You could have it fire at whatever interval you want multiple times. I've decided just at 60 seconds, let me know that happened. That's a quality visit. And finally, the one that I use, at least there could be others that would be really useful, is for an embedded YouTube video. It could fire an event based on what the video was that they watched, whether they played it, how much they played, all that kind of stuff. So it's really helpful for creating events, these custom events of engagement on my website for tracking, optimization, and targeting later. And, it's a little small thing, but also Conversions API Gateway works really well with it. So if you need help with setting up Google Tag Manager for your pixel, or if you just need more details on how I did it, I wrote a blog post about it. Go to johnloomer.com/GTM. This has been a Pubcast shot. Did you like it? Did you find it helpful? I hope so. You should subscribe. You really should. I don't care whether you're on Apple Podcasts, Facebook now, Spotify, Overcast, Stitcher, Castbox. They're all out there. Doesn't matter. There should be a way to subscribe. Do that. So next time I publish, you're going to see it. You'll get the full value. I appreciate you. Let me know what you think. info@johnloomer.com. Give me a shout. Otherwise, until next time, do awesome things. I'm out.